Hello, guys. So today we are playing Among Us, and yeah, uh, let's just go play and find a game. Let's enter a game. What do you mean enter a game? No, get out, get out, get out, get out. Okay, get out. How to play? What about how to play? Wait, what? What did you say? Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, got it. Let's just play the scout. Oh, here we are at Among Us. Emergency meeting. Oh, I'm voting dummy one. I'm voting dummy one. Hey, don't vote me. Yeah, dummy one. Dummy one is going. No one was ejected, skipped. Oh. So that's the button? Okay. Okay. Dummy two. Okay, dummy two is just standing there. Like weird. I think that he might like be it. Is he? What's this? Oh, so I got to like. What do I do? Oh, I put these together. Alright, so I put these together. What's showing me now? Okay. Oh. Another one of these. Okay. Get out. Can you not see I'm playing? Alright, I did it. You okay? Okay. I don't know what... Whoa. What is that? I don't know what is that, but hey. I found another one of these wires. Task completed. Okay. What do I... Okay. Alright. So I'm thinking like we need to fix the engine or something. Dummy 6? Okay. Mad. Alright, so... Let's do a meeting. Should we? Crew member player has 0 emergency meeting left. So, this is how you play. No, wait. What is this? Oh. Whoa. Okay. Alright. So, that's how you play. Okay, now let's leave. Leave the game. Yeah, we could play online. No, my name is not Playa. My name is PARROT Plays. Plays. Yeah, plays. Parrot play. Hey. Don't forget about the S. No. What? I guess I'll be just parrot. I guess I'll be just parrot create a game. Okay, whatever. English. Let's put it English. Max players. Let's put it 10. Let's start. Oh, okay. Alright, guys. Here we are. Oh, I can choose a color. Well, you know, Parrot's red. So, red. I'm gonna be red. Because Parrot plays as red. Chicken such okay. Okay, you know, why did I just create a game? Why did I just do that? Let's go and find a game. Let's go in this one. Oh, here we are. Why am I brown? No, I don't want to be brown. I said I could be blue. Let's be blue. So we're gonna start. Oh, shush. Crewmate. I'm a crewmate? Defeated. What? Did I just got killed? Not what I thought. Why can I not be red? Can you guys just please start? Start the game, bruh. Start the game. Read engine. Also, shush. Okay. I'm still a crewmate. Excuse me? Dead body report. What? Excuse me? One. So you're telling me I'm dead? Well, this sucks. Alright, we are at Jelly's map. We're at Jelly's map, and I'm gonna be red. Because Parrot is always red. Okay, here we have Jelly. Okay. So. Wait, is he like maybe the YouTuber Jelly? I don't know. Alright. Are we starting? Shh. I'm the crewmate. Okay. I'm just gonna... Jelly? Are you the imposter? I hope you're not. Board the engine. No. Get out. What's in here? Security. Oh. Watch out the security. Awesome. Engine? Okay. How do you open doors? How do you open a door? Okay, I don't know. Okay. You're telling me there's nothing in here? That was a waste of time. Alright. We should just start a meeting. Discuss. If Leah's dead, then a bat. Voting begins in... Okay. I'm gonna vote... Maria! Oh, I voted... Oh, Oh, even Jelly voted. Alizai voted. Come on, you two. Vote, vote, vote. Oh, he voted. Come on, vote. You gonna vote? Who you gonna vote? Who you gonna vote? Who you gonna vote? Who is the imposter? Why isn't he voting? God damn it. Dude, Sanchia, vote. Sanchia, god damn it, just vote. Oh. No one was ejected? What? That was a waste of time. Okay. Then who can be the killer? What's going on here? Who's over there? I gotta go here. What's going on down here? Even more down? In there? In that room? What? What's going on in this room? Okay. Ooh, I've never been in this room. Or maybe I have. I don't know. Ooh, what's this? Damn, there's a lot of room in this game. Oh, jeez. A dead body report. I just found a dead body report. Oh, my God. I think it is Maria 18. I gotta vote for Maria 18. Come on, Sanchia. God damn it, just vote. Oh my God. Oh, Joshua. No one was ejected. T. One imposter? Who's the imposter? Damn it. Who's the imposter? Hey, are you the imposter? Are you the imposter? Wait, I'm gonna follow you because I think you're the imposter. Are you the imposter? Let's use this. What's going on? That's completed. Okay. What are you guys doing? Are you guys... Okay, I don't know. So, but all I know is that somebody's dead body was here. Pretty sure I saw it. No, it was not here. I found a dead body here somewhere. Yeah, it wasn't here. Emergency? What a discuss. Ooh, who should I vote for? Chili has been died? Well, what if is? I still think it's Josh. I still think it's Maria. Come on, Joshua. Vote for someone, Joshua. Maria has been voted. Then wait, why did you vote me? I'm not the imposter. Oh yes, was he the imposter? Maria was not the imposter. No. Okay, well shoot. This was a waste of time. Joshua was the killer. Wow. Well, anyways, guys, so I'm gonna end the video. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell so you can never miss a video from me again. And see you in the next one. Bye bye.